We've already opened up Microsoft Excel. You should also want to open up the census data that's provided in the instructions. The URL is at the census.gov website. Alright, so for example purposes, we're going to use the years 2000 through 2010. So in Microsoft Excel, left click on column A, row 1, that's going to be box A1. Type the title of your X values into A1, in this instance being year. Into A2, we're going to type 2000 because it's the beginning of this 10-year sequence. And into A3, we're going to put 2001. Now left click and hold A2 and drag it to A3 and release. And now we're going to move the cursor to the bottom right corner of A3. You'll see the cursor turn into a thin black cross. We're going to hold that down and drag that down to A12. This basically just completes the sequence so we don't have to type it all in. So now we've got all of our X values. Now we're going to put in the Y values. First thing we need to do is add a title to the column. So in B1 we're going to type population, and parentheses we're going to type in billions. Now for the data for that column, we're going to go back to the census website, and we're going to select the 2000 census data. We're going to round to the nearest second decimal. So in this case it's going to be 6.09. And we're going to repeat this for the following 9 additional years. So just make sure you round to the second decimal, round up always. And we're going to go ahead and just type that all in here.
It's too late now.
Alright, so now that we have all of the data entered, we're going to go ahead and start working on making our graph. So making sure that you've not selected any data from the table. So just click away into any box. We want to go ahead and click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. And then we want to click on Line from the menu that appears. And then we want to select the upper left graph, which is titled Line. So now you'll see a white blank box appear on the screen. Right click on the blank box and click Select Data from the drop down menu. You're going to see a new box appear titled Select Data Source. If you need to, drag that away so it doesn't cover up your data. Now under Legend Entries Series, we're going to click on Add. We're going to get a new dialog box titled Edit Series. In the series name box, we want to type in population in billions. And we want to go ahead and delete the series value. So just make sure you delete that. Now, while keeping the Edit Series window open, click and drag from box B2 to B12 in your data. Now, all of that data is going to appear in a sequence in your series values box. Now, click OK on the Edit Series dialog box. Click Edit, which is underneath Horizontal Category Access Labels. A new dialog box titled Access Labels appears. Now we want to click and drag from box A2 to A12. This is going to basically add all of the data to the range. The graph is now going to show the years 2000 through 2010 in the x-axis. Let's go ahead and click OK on the Access Label dialog box. When the Select Data Source dialog box reappears, click OK once again, and your final image appears on the screen.